Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present Practicum 2, which is about modeling a UML use case diagram for our project. The outline, the online quiz platform. A use case diagram helps us represent the interaction between the user and system and identify the major functionalities provided by the application. Our online quiz platform is designed to conduct quizzes and assessments online. The system allows students to participate in quizzes while teachers can create and manage quizzes. The administrator manages the overall system. The main actors identified in our system are student, instructor, or teacher, and administrator. The student is one of the main actors in our system. A student can register and log into the platform. After logging in, the student can browse available quizzes, select a quiz, start the quiz, and answer the question. After completing the quiz, the student can submit the answers and view the generated result. The student can also retake a quiz when the option is available. The instructor or teacher is responsible for managing quizzes. The instructor can create quizzes, add questions, update quizzes, delete quizzes, and view student performance. The administrator has overall control of the platform. The administrator can manage usage, manage quizzes, and maintain the system. The use case diagram also represents relationship between different use cases. For example, attempting a quiz includes answering questions, while submitting a quiz includes evaluating the answers. Viewing the result includes calculating the score. Optional activities such as retaking a quiz can be represented using an external relationship. To conclude, the UML case diagram gives us a clear overview of the functional requirements of our online quiz platform. It shows how students, instructors, and administrators interact with the system and help developers understand the required functionality before implementation. Thank you.